Welcome to ChatGPT. In this video, we are going to share with you 10 ways to use ChatGPT with Canva. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can help generate ideas, answers, and content. Canva is a popular design tool that lets you create graphics, presentations, and more. One way to use ChatGPT with Canva is to ask for design inspiration. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest design ideas for a specific theme or project. Another way is to ask for content ideas, like blog post topics or social media captions. You can also use ChatGPT to generate quotes or phrases to use in your designs. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm product names or taglines for branding. If you're stuck on color choices, ChatGPT can suggest complementary colors or palettes. You can also use ChatGPT to come up with design layouts or composition ideas. ChatGPT can provide ideas for designs based on the tone or mood you want to convey. You can even use ChatGPT to generate illustrations or graphics based on a specific idea. Incorporating ChatGPT into your Canva workflow can save time and inspire creativity. So, give it a try and let us know in the comments how ChatGPT has helped you with your designs with Canva.
Hey, this is Chapo North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.